said we was going to go out to have some fun,
Yeah.
but she never said we were going. So this is the exciting part.
Oh,
We
yeah.
might go to Great Wolf Lodge, might go to Galaxy Fun Park, we might go to the beach. I hope so.
Yesterday, Tristan went with us, and he can stick to the trampoline wall. Sit here, but taking here. If you like more videos, then click on the Gacy Butter video. So we're gonna do this later, but we're gonna have some fun.
So, right now we're about to go outside.
Oh yeah.
And this is a vlog.
Yeah.
We're going.
Yeah. And we're gonna take you guys with us. We are gonna take you guys with us. So come on and get a car. Well, I will show you my side of the door. And
I taught Kayla to open the door.
I have a new seat. It's very special. And it's old. I didn't really use it yesterday. That's how I was a baby. And now I'm old a bit later. And so, come on in, guys, to Mama's side.
Buckled up, and now I'm getting on my side. Move your hands down, please.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm ready. Hey guys, we just got in somewhere close by McDonald's, but we still do not know where we are going. Yeah, but we're close by some good restaurants. I wonder if we're going to a restaurant, and if we do, I wonder what restaurant we're going to. So I wonder what restaurant we're going to. I'm enjoying the nature. Ooh, we're getting a restaurant. We're at a restaurant. Pizza. Big cheese pizza.
Let me back up a little bit.
My mom's ordering.
Sausage pizza.
Sorry for the noise.
Oh, you have it? What's going on? 5 minutes I've been hearing stuff about it.
I think my mom's done ordering.
It is no problem. Look, guys, what she gave you. What do you say?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mama, I want.
Don't eat it right now. Can you help me?
Yeah.
Take it. Okay.
We
so the
got some
combination, I just wanted-
lollipops.
Okay, can I hold both?
looking for a pizza.
No, these
I want to hold them.
No, these
One is Mama's.
So, I think we got
got
pizza.
pizza.
We just got pizza. Sausage pizza, my favorite. And now, we're getting some drinks from McDonald's. I'm going to zoom in so you can see it closer. See?
Oh my God.
Yay!
That is an unnecessary line.
Okay, now guys, we just got to McDonald's and we're getting our drink.
Oh yeah.
I'm going to take a Sprite once we get up there.
I'm going to take pink lemonade when we get up there.
Hi, can I just, do you have pink lemonade?
I'm sorry, no, we don't.
A small fruit punch, a large sweet tea, and a large Sprite.
Okay.
I want to try the spicy nuggets.
Okay, do you want the 60 to the 10?
Nugget.
Just about the hour.
Yes, please.
So it looks like we're getting spicy nuggets too.
And the correct.
It is.
Okay, we got the correct first one though.
Okay.
That was $5.44, guys.
You sure? Okay. Maybe we should just do a family channel. Kaiden, what do we have here?
We have some 6 spicy chicken nuggets
I'm going to take one.
from McDonald's. We got some chicken wings
This is the fried chili.
from Big
Daddy?
Cheese Pizza,
Can I take it?
and we got some
Caleb want to see.
pizza, sausage pizza
Oh,
from
yeah.
Big Cheese Pizza.
Okay, so do you guys know what a mukbang is?
What?
I know.
So on YouTube, people eat and chat on camera, and they just call it a mukbang. But they have a topic. So, did you tell them that we drove past people who were voting?
Mm-hmm.
So let's talk about voting. Let's talk about what you guys know about the voting.
Steak.
So, I should have asked for plates, but we got clean hands, right?
Right.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So we just gonna eat. Just get a piece.
So I know that the governor is the leader of the executive branch.
Okay.
I know that the legislative branch makes all the laws. And I know that the judicial branch...
Where you sleep, son?
Wait.
Because my pizza.
I know that the governor carried out the laws. I know the judicial branch makes sure they are obeyed, and the legislative branch makes all the laws. That's what I know.
A pizza branch.
Pizza brand.
We already ate 3 pizzas. How? It looks like 4 pizzas I'm eating.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. I'm right, Kate. 1, 2, 3.
That's good.
1, 2, 3.
You guys need me to get your drinks up here?
Yeah. Now this is always a good pizza sausage.
Is that your favorite pizza?
Mine here.
Okay. Caleb, what's your favorite pizza?
Sausage pizza.
No, you are.
Mine is sausage pizza.
My favorite pizza is sausage. My second favorite pizza is pepperoni and sausage. Third favorite pizza is ham, pineapple pizza. Now, write in the comments below what pizza is your favorite.
We're sitting in front of a church. That's a voting site. So I'm just looking at all the people going in and out to vote. Kelly, what do you know about voting?
I know about running. That's because the hurricane is stronger than a tornado. And I know that. That's because I watched the hurricane movie.
Kaiden, you really didn't tell us anything about voting. You told us about the 3 different branches. And so how is that important? What do you think voting is?
Being able to vote who you want to be president, governor, mayor.
Mayor?
We should be able to vote equally.
Why? If I don't go vote, what do you think will happen? I mean, I'm just one person, so it shouldn't matter, right?
It matters.
It does matter? Just my one vote matters? Why?
If the governor, somebody that wants to be governor has 498 votes, and another person that wants to be governor has 388 votes, and some people didn't vote, like, they might want the person that has 388 votes to be governor, and when they go,
Mama, if you have 1999,
Hold on.
if they don't vote, then the other governor gets the
Right.
get. But if they do vote, then it increase more than 498.
Right.
Mama, if you have 999, it will make 9 million.
Okay. It's nuggets.
Okay.
Me too.
You don't like spicy food.
I do.
He doesn't.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
He really doesn't. Are they good or no? Who else has spicy nuggets? Wendy's?
It's getting spicy.
It is getting spicy slowly.
It's not fully ready.
It's not fully. Yes, it is.
That's why I'm a walnut.
Yes, it is.
It's
Mama,
stuck in my
have you
throat.
ever seen one of the ducks they call a walnut?
Okay, I got through to my throat.
Yeah, it's a slow creep.
But I don't need my drink. Can I get another one? called lemonade. So guys, we got cotton candy, 1 apple pie, and 1 cheesecake. Well, this is the cheesecake. I don't even know if it's a cheesecake.
It's deep fried.
This is a deep fried cheesecake. This is a deep fried apple pie.
Roll it up
What you
into
got?
a big ball.
Oh, and
That's
we got
not
cotton
funny.
candy. And we got cotton candy and 2
Candy apple.
2 red candy apples at the bottom.
So we just got a deep fried cheesecake and a deep fried Oreo apple pie.
Cheesecake, and here's the deep fried apple pie.
And can you?
We all got a vote. Apple pie.
Pick it up. You can keep that. Keep this bowl.
So, got a vote. Apple pie is the best. Cheese. Okay,
Like me.
so sorry you missed out on the fun, but we had a great time. Our batteries were dying on the camera and phone. So, on the fields, we went to the party. This is what we did. So we went to a neighborhood after we went to the store to get our stuff for our challenges. And once we got to our neighborhood, we pretty much washed our hands and stuff. Then my mom said, get in the car so we could, and then we went to a little party thingy, Carnival.
You want me to keep driving?
Yeah. And right now we're in the car. You can see in the front with my mom. And we was playing with a boy in the fields at that party. We couldn't play any games and we didn't eat anything. But now we're home, you can see, in our neighborhood. Mom, have anything to say, Kayla?
Yeah.
Okay, what is it?
So we played with a boy with a green shirt. He had the taco on it. We played tag. And we win. But sorry guys, you missed all the fun. Bye. Bye. It's almost nighttime. I have to go to bed. But if my mama let me stay up and watch YouTube, I can. Mom, say something.
Okay.